supersonic industries present slim front load rotary washing machine. The operator arranges individual components in cages prior to switching the automatic cycle. Cages are designed as per the orientation of individual component. Cage door is opened by declamping it. Operator simply inserts the component and clamps the door. In this model, 10 such components can be arranged as a batch for washing. The designing of cage is carefully done considering various cavities and threaded holes. When the components rotate, there is no displacement causing any aberration of the component. Additionally, the cages are polyurethane coated to protect the surface in contact. Like in our front load rotary washing machine, this slim model also has jet and immersed wash for better washing quality. For intricate cavity components such as this, a powerful ultrasonic high intensity washing is imparted. In a slow speed motion, the component immerses in ultrasonic bath, which has a very high cavitation to loosen the particles and chips which are stuck inside the cavities. After the immersed wash, when the liquid starts draining, the speed is automatically changed to high speed. Due to centrifugal force, the loosened chips and particles are thrown off from the component. Air blow is also imparted through the same nozzles for further helping removal of particulate matter. Operator switches on the cycle in auto mode and the door gets automatically closed. Door opening and closing is pneumatically done. As the auto cycle starts, high pressure jets get switched on to jet wash the component from all the sides. On expiry of jet wash time, the valve automatically closes and the liquid is filled in for immersed wash. Immersed wash with ultrasonics is again a time-based operation, after which the liquid is drained off for recirculation in a storage tank. At this stage, variable frequency drive changes the speed of rotation to a high speed rotation. Air blow is also started to force air jets onto the component from all sides. After this operation, rinsing cycle starts with another pump switching on to give high pressure jets of rinsing liquid. Immersed ultrasonic wash is repeated, followed by high speed rotation and air blow. The cycle is complete and the door opens automatically. Since the temperature of rinsed liquid is maintained between 65 to 70 degrees centigrade, the components get totally dried. Clean and dry component is unloaded and a fresh batch is again loaded. The machine occupies an area of 2 meter by 1.7 meter and is truly slimmer version of front load washing machine. The octagonal plate and cages are removable. When other component is required to be subjected for washing, new cages can be fitted on the octagonal plate and washing can be carried out. Alternatively, A new plate ready with new cages can also be stocked as spare. This feature makes this slim model truly unique, offering variety of options and accommodating different components. Any desired millipore value can be achieved in this machine. Vertical rotary movement is always better than the horizontal movement, where gravitational force and centrifugal force can be utilized to get better cleaning results. At Supersonic Industries, innovating is a mission and creativity a passion.